Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video you're going to learn how to cut and sew this stylish bow design. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Let's move into the video. The name of the fabric I'm going to use for this bow design is called a scuba fabric or a poly fabric. I've gone ahead to cut out 3 pieces of fabric on fold, and I will go through the measurements one after the other. This is me trying to tell you that the pieces we are cut on fold. Here I have the wide one, the slim one, and the small short one. Now for this wide one, the measurement is 6.5 by 28. That means the height is 6.5 and this length this way is 28. The measurement for the slim one is 3 inches by 20.5 inches. The short one is 3.5 by 6.5. I have the wide one here, the big piece, and I've gone ahead to place it right side facing right side, and I'll start sewing from one side lengthwise. I'll sew using 0.5 inch. When I get to the center, somewhere around the center, I will leave a little space and continue sewing to the other part. I'll go ahead and sew the part I just showed you now. This is what I have after sewing. The next thing I'll do is to arrange this seam allowance at the center of this piece. I'll arrange it in a way that the seam allowance will be at the middle of the piece, just like so. I'll go ahead and close up the beginning of the piece and the end of this piece using 0.5 inch. So now I'll go ahead and turn the whole piece inside out from the opening I left before sewing. You remember I left an opening, so I'll put my hand inside the opening and bring out the 2 sides of the piece. After doing that, I'll go ahead and join the beginning and the end of this piece together like so. And I want you to take note of the way I am folding to join. Let the side without any seam face each other, and the other part with a seam is showing outside as I'm joining this now. After joining, this is what I have here. I'll just turn it in like so, and as you can see here, the bow design is coming together gradually. I'll just keep this particular piece aside so that I can work on the second piece, that is the slim piece. Here is the slim piece, and I shaped it the same way we shape a waist belt when making kiddies ball dresses, but I will show you how I did this. Remember, the piece is on fold. Starting from this point, I came down by 2 inches, and from this other point I maintained the height of 3 inches. Then I connected the 2 points together and trimmed out the excess. I'll start sewing from this edge down to the part where we have that small opening. I'll go ahead and do that and show you. I've done exactly that. I'll then go ahead to trim off the excesses around the belt. I'll turn it inside out from the small opening that is at the other edge. Yes, from this point I'll turn it inside out. Then after that I'll iron the piece, and I'll show you the outcome. This is what it looks like after turning it inside out. Then I'll go ahead and work on the last piece, which is the smallest piece. For the smallest piece, you can join it exactly the same way I joined the very first long fat piece, but I'm going to use another method to join this one. You place it right side facing right side of the fabric and sew using 0.5 inch. After that, I'll turn it inside out just like I did after I finished sewing the first piece, you remember. So I'll do the same thing here. I'll turn it inside out and centralize the seam like so. Here I'm trimming off a little part of it to make it very equal at that end. The next thing I'll do is to fold it this way and join the two ends like so. At this point, I've gone ahead to iron all the 3 pieces of fabrics. I've ironed all of them and we are going to be arranging them accordingly. Bring the first and the last one. Insert the first one into the small piece, into the last piece we joined. Insert it like so and arrange it very well around the middle of that first one to give it a very nice bow shape. After that, bring in the slim piece. That's the second one we joined, the one that looks like a belt. Bring it in, turn the bow to the back side and then arrange it properly according to the way you want it to appear. Just arrange it well, then bring in your hand needle and tack it down together with the rest of the pieces. People of God, we have come to the end of today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.